Many people think the only way to make money on YouTube is AdSense, but that's not true. In fact, many successful creators earn much more money from other income sources than they do from YouTube ads. The best part is that some of these methods don't even require you to join the YouTube Partner Program. So even if you are just starting your YouTube channel, there are still ways to earn money. In this video, I will explain some of the best ways to monetize your YouTube channel without depending on AdSense. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description for the useful tools and resources I mentioned in this video. Now let's get into main part of the video. Let's begin with one of the most popular methods, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn money from YouTube. You recommend products or services that match your content. Then place your affiliate link in the video description. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission at no extra cost to buyer. Now, if your channel is about technology, you can recommend software, AI tools, web hosting, or online business platforms. If your content genuinely helps people to choose the right product, affiliate marketing can become a steady source of income. Now, let's talk about selling digital products. Instead of promoting someone else's product, you can create your own. This could be an ebook, template, an online course, a checklist, presets, design files, or any digital resource that solves a real problem for your audience. The great thing about digital products is that you create them once and you can continue selling them again and again. As your audience grows, this can become one of your biggest income sources. Now, let's move to offering services. If you have a valuable skill, your YouTube channel can help you find clients. For example, you could offer consulting, coaching, graphic design, website development, SEO services, or social media management. Your videos help people trust your knowledge, making them more likely to contact with you. Even a small channel can generate service clients if your content demonstrates your expertise. We are getting close to another powerful strategy, that is sponsorship. Sponsorships are another excellent way to monetize your channel. Many people think brands only work with huge creators, but that's not always true. Companies often look for the creators with engaged audiences, even if they have a smaller number of subscribers. If your viewers trust on recommendations, business may pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. And finally, here is a method that can keep generating income over time, and that is build your own email list. This might not sound like a direct way to make money, but it is one of the smartest long-term strategies. By collecting email subscribers, you can stay connected with your audience even when they are not watching your YouTube videos. Later, you can promote affiliate products, digital products, courses, services, or special offers directly through their email. Unlike social media, you own your email list, giving you much more control over your audience. Now let's talk about combining these methods. The most successful YouTubers rarely depend on just one income source. They often use affiliate marketing, sell digital products, offer services, work with sponsors, and build an email list at the same time. This creates multiple streams of income, making their business more stable. If one income source slows down, the others continue supporting the channel. Another important tip is to focus on helping your audience first. People subscribe because your videos solve problems or teach them something useful. If you constantly focus only on making sales, viewers may lose the interest. But when you consistently provide helpful content and recommend products you genuinely believe in, your audience is more likely to support you. So, what is the best way to monetize your YouTube without AdSense? Start with the affiliate marketing because it is simple and does not require creating your own product. As your audience grows, then look for the sponsorship opportunities and continue building your email list. Over time, you will create several income streams that don't depend on YouTube advertising. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this guide helped you to understand you don't need AdSense to earn money from YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the useful tools and resources to help you grow your YouTube channel and online business. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.